So now welcome to the next series where would they try to create Slack from scratch. So for this video, which now just a hail. So for the last video, what we'll do is say we just set up the web server and we use this index.html take test if they work or not. So for this video, I want to go beyond just console login connected to server. I want to really see things. I want to send message. I want to see for the browser. I want to first understand that communication before we start to talk about namespace, which is all this, and channels. So now I don't put this one inside static folder. I need to make them load down because that one no go load down. So for us to do them, we go import this package, make this one application, Nest Express application. So then we need this one will come from Platform Express. So Nest Platform Express. Now the way this one go do be say it go add one method for here will be use static asset. That use static asset now it go come help us they load those index file. So then I'll just need to put the name of the folder, which is static. This one will be anything where you call them. Here we call them static, and this one to not static. So now we don't do this one. I want for the here for this place. I want import. I will import this app gateway we will get for here. I will import them as part of the module here as the provider. So I'll put on here. Then I'll go where the part they serve. Yeah, I need this. So I'll put this one here. I will come out this app service first because we need them. I will even come out the controller too. But then come out. Go later create some. Alright, so now we don't get this one now. So if we go to the browser, we're going to start them first before going to the browser. So they load, compiling. Alright, see everything they work. So if you come here, I will come to the inspect. You see connected to the server. Okay, now what we do that time? Now still the thing it is, and the only difference we say we know they double click now the server 9 they serve all these things. So later we'll talk about how we go take bundle the React and all the assets we will go do for the front end. But now if for here I still want Moku do, I get something where I don't write because I know when I just they watch me they write, but I will explain what in the app for here. So this one I view, I just use CDN for view, and this one here now the part now because before we use CDN for this one, which we know they do them again because we don't use the same server and I don't the server, and we get this socket.io, we get them from inside our node module. If I go down socket.io, you see it here. So socket.io. So we feel load down from the same server. So it may even make sense. Say both of them, both the front end and the back end, they use the same version. And now we just get tied to here with the inside state. This one a view, very good, just like React to. So this one would create new instance of that view, and would they talk say okay, any element we get this, which is this one here, we get the ID here. Now may you target, now you may start to render all these things. Put this title now you go replace them with tester, and messages we just get hard coded, some message, another message, and we get this socket which is null. And for here we create new socket from IO, which is the thing we do before. Now socket now will be the return value for this, which is what we are doing before. And then you get message to client, and we get message to client here, and we listen to message to server. So what we need to do for here now is I think we need to change something from here. From here now, currently now we know they emit anything, we just return hello world. So we could emit something. So we just say emit, and we go emit waiting the front end they listen for message to client. This one now they listen for, so we go emit that one. I'll paste on here. and we just send within this front end send. We'll just send down back, which is this one. Then you know, to return anything. We'll come on that one. So now we'll go the front end now. Go to the server here. If we reload, you see, we get that web tester, and if you send message, you see that test day. If you send another message, it is show real time. And here, if you connect another client, say another person to another place, if you connect them into go send message, you see how far go send message, you see, but the message when they send, you know, they reach the other side here. So the what they have for here say for the back end here, this one go always the same message to the client, we send message from. If you want make it send message to everybody where they there, what we need first we need to import server from socket.io, and then we need also the decorator of WebSocket server, and we go call on WebSocket, and it will be of this type. So we need to invoke them. Sorry. So what we will do here now, instead of all this, we'll just say this WebSocket.emit. So we could just copy this one. I just replace this one here and put this one here, and then the thing's supposed to work. So if I come here now, refresh, if I do tester 1, you see tester 1, you see it show for another one. If I copy and put on here, I say hello from tester 3. If I put on, it show for here. If you come here, you see tester 3, and if the last one here, you see. So everything they work. They work the way we want to make it work. So yeah, it makes sense. So I hope you now enjoy the video, and if you don't understand, just contact me, and then now we'll stop the video for this place. We'll continue next. But now I think now understand the basic thing. What would you actually do for you? Send message, we just emit message to server, and this created good day invoke when this one na life cycle method. Now you go just invoke, now you go create this the socket for us, and then we will listen to on, and all these things they for socket.io documentation. So if you come here and you go to resource, if you want to learn more about them, you go see them here. We'll show you. You get you see the client here, this IO, what we'll do for that place, that IO where they here. So and that object with this, and the return type of that IO that be socket, which is the socket, and they get on where they take listen to event. So if you look socket.io documentation, it's very easy. I think you will fit to understand that more. But if you still still don't understand them and you want to know more about them, just contact me. I hope so. And like them. If you never subscribe to my channel, if you subscribe so that anytime I post new video, they go notify you. I hail later.